don't know what you mean to me, but I know that honor have sun powers. 'Cause one morning when I was dripping from ice, I saw my sister making the heat. She comes from the sun god, and I came from the snow god. That's why I had magic ice powers, and my sister had magic hot powers. She could make fire whenever she was mad. She could make ice. She could make hot lava crystals that would shine brighter than the sun itself. I don't know what my sister can be. I don't know what if the Wesselton might call to me and my sister. I never want her to be hurt. She's my sister. How can I hurt her? She is my sister every day and night. Even though we fight, we love each other. We don't know what's best to you. We don't know what is wrong with my sister. I know that we are teens together. When I was little, I first had a power. Then, when I was grown up, I had stronger ice powers. But my young sister, she grew up to be a sun queen. I am a nice queen. I am Elsa, her name is Anna. She can make spring. I can make winter. I can make anything, anything at all. Just make my hands cold above. We don't know what's best to me and you. What iron hands of me and you. What do I mean to me and you? What do I want from me and you? What do I seem to me and you? What do I hold for you?
Oh, yay!